Students, this is the session 5 of the practical geometry. Then here we will discuss how to construct a quadrilateral when two adjacent sides and three angles are given. Previously we construct a quadrilateral with the two diagonals and three sides. Now we will construct with three angles and two adjacent sides are given. See, two adjacent sides are given and three angles are given. See, this one example, construct a quadrilateral MIST where MI is 3.5 centimeter, IS is 6.5 centimeter, angle M is 75, angle I is 105 and angle S is 120 degree. Now see, this is MIST, rough sketch. Now we will go with this rough sketch. Then first thing, you should take the one of the side as a base, this side or this side. I am taking this side. If you will take this side, then you will construct these two angles first and then this angle. But here I am taking 3.5 as a base. So 3.5, take scale 3.5. See here, 3.5. Make a line. This angle, this point is M, this is I. Now take protractor, keep the protractor point on a M point. Okay, see, M is 75. 75 means less than 90. So 70 and this one is 75. 75. In between 80 and 70. Inner measurements. Join. Then next thing is keep the protractor on point I. See, on I 105. 105 means greater than 90, 100 and in between 110, 105. Then join. Okay. Then from the I, the S point is at 6.5. S point is at 6.5. So 6.5, take 6.5. In a compass 6.5. Make an arc of 6.5. This one will be 6.5 where you'll get point S. Now on the point S, you need to keep the protractor and make an angle of 120 degrees. See, angle S is 120 degrees. So 100 and 110 and this is 120. So 120. Now join that and this point. Now extend this line. Somewhere here it will join this. Then here you'll get point T. MIST. This one is 6.5 centimeter. This one is 3.5 centimeter. This one is 75 degree. This one is 105 degree. And this one is 120 degree. You need to mention all the measurements. Okay. Then exercise 4.3. Construct a quadrilateral MORE. MO is 6 centimeter. OR is 4.5 centimeter. M is 60. O is 105. And R is 105. This is the rough sketch. Now take this or this as a base. So 6 centimeter. I am taking this 6 centimeter MO as a base. 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter. Okay. MO. Now from the M point, you need to construct the angle of M point 60 degrees. 60 degree means less than 90. So inner measurements 60 degree. Okay. Now here I will keep the protractor on point O. 105. 105. So greater than 90 degree. 105. 105. So join this two things. Okay. Now R is at 4.5 centimeter from the point O. So take 4.5 centimeter in the compass. Make one arc as a center O. Then you'll get point R here. Now from the point R, 105 is the angle. So keep the protractor on point R. 105. See, this one is 90, greater than 90. So 105 is here. Outer measurements. Join this. And somewhere here you got the point as E. See, this one is 105. This one is 105. This one is 60 degree. This one is 6 centimeter. And this one is 4.5 centimeter. Okay. Then question number 2. In the question 2, see here, quadrilateral PLAN. PL is 4 centimeter, LA is 6.5 centimeter, angle P, angle N and angle A is 90, 85 and 110 degree is given. See here, if I take this 4 centimeter as a base here, then I can't construct this because this angle is not given. See, 2 adjacent sides and 3 angles in between these 2 sides which are known, in between that one angle has to be given. But here it is not given. So first we need to find out this angle and then only we can construct this quadrilateral. Then see, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 angle addition of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. That is the property. So quadrilateral, how to find out this? Sum of all the 4 angles of quadrilateral is 360. So angle P plus angle L plus angle A plus angle N, measure of angle. Okay, you can write this measure of angle also. Okay, measure of angle is 360 degree. Then 90 degree it is given. Angle L we need to find out. So keep as it is, and 110 degree, 85 degree and 360 is equal to 360. Now this 90, 110 and 85 is 285. So measure of angle L is 360 minus 285. So measure of angle is 75 degree. Now you got 75 degree. Now go with the process. First, question number first. Here take this one as a base or this one as a base and construct the quadrilateral. No need to explain again. You can construct it yourself because now you know this angle. Now third example is parallelogram HEAR, where HE is 5 cm, EA is 6 cm and R is 85. This angle is given 85. Now see your parallelogram property is opposite sides are concurrent. Opposite sides are concurrent means this side and this side will be 6 centimeter. This side and this side will be same and this side and this side will be same. So this one will be 6 centimeter and this one will be 5 centimeter. Now we will go for the construction. See here you need to construct with the base 6 centimeter. See, 6 centimeter. I am taking 6 centimeter as a base. Baseline 6 centimeter. Suppose this is H and R, 6 centimeter. Now only one angle is given, that is angle R is 85. So make 85 is less than 90. So you need to take here outer 85. Okay, now join this. Now see here on the 85, this is 5 centimeter. So from the R, A point is 5 centimeter. So take compass and 5 centimeter in the compass. 5 centimeter. Okay, make a arc as a center R. This one will be 5 centimeter and here you got the point A. Now see, E point is 6 centimeter from point A and 5 centimeter from point H. Now already it is 5 centimeter in the compass, so make a center as a H, make an arc. Okay, make an arc. Now from A it is 6 centimeter, so take 6 centimeter in the compass, 6 centimeter, and center as a another intersecting arc to the previous arc. Now you will get the point, so join it, then you will get this point E. Now your quadrilateral is completed. See, this one is 6 centimeter, this one is 6 centimeter, this is 5, this is also 5 centimeter, this is 85 degree. Okay, this one over. Then go for the next question. The question is rectangle OKAY. OK is 7 centimeter, K is 5 centimeter. OK is 7 centimeter and KA is 5 centimeter. Now rectangle. In the rectangle, the property of rectangle is all angles will be 90 degree only. All angles will be 90 degree only. Or one angle 90 degree you got means you can construct with the previous one. Here 85 is given, like that you need to construct with the 90 degree also. And another property of rectangle is opposite sides are equal. So this one will be 7 centimeter and this one will be 5 centimeter. Okay. Now take YA as a base, 7 centimeter. 7 centimeter, Y, point Y and A. Now 90 degree from both the points. 90 degree from here also. 90 degree, no need to take inner outer. 90 degree is same for both inside measurement and outside measurement. So join it. Now see 5 centimeter, O point is at 5 centimeter. So take 5 centimeter in the compass. Make an arc. Here also make an arc. Then here you got the point K and here you got the point O. Then join it. You'll get the rectangle OKAY. Or else see this one angle you can take 90 degree and then draw this one as a 5 centimeter and then 5 centimeter from here, 5 centimeter one arc, and from here 7 centimeter another intersecting arc, like the previous example. That one also you can do it. Okay, then OKAY, this one is 7 centimeter, this one is 7 centimeter, and this was rectangle OKAY. Okay, this exercise 4.3 is over. Thank you students, and try to do all the constructions in your notebook.